Okay. Hi. My name is Michael, aka Moon Poppy 04222, or sorry, 0422, in the Harmony ZKU course. This is my video submission for week 4, where we're going to show off the front end assignment with the little text box greeter thing and things like that. Okay. So I believe I'm screen sharing. Might be a little bit of a tunnel thing there, but we'll figure that out. Go to Finder, opening up two terminals at our folder. So we're gonna, I used different versions of nodes for stuff. So I gotta use this for this. And we'll use yes. And then we'll run yarn dev and yarn deploy network local host. Okay, so while that's running, okay, it tells us, all right. Okay, so we'll look through the code. We used a couple things. We used MUI for kind of like the form stuff. 1 second. Let's just show repos. All right. Yeah, this is just Estlint yelling at me. Yeah, again, as we can see, we used a bunch of stuff from MUI. We used yup over here in our greetings forms. So basically the assignment was that we have an input of our name, age, and a string. We want to kind of link that in with Semaphore's greeting. And then, basically we have, this is just like some stuff, basically it was pulled from Yup's like NPM page or whatever. They have like a nice little example there. Little validation. The real validation is actually happening over here with like the box and the text field stuff. So basically, I'll take us through that now. But yeah, so again, this is just stuff that I've done from like other assignments or projects and stuff like that. Typically, we'll have like some main page, we'll have some component spot, and then that's where greetings forms is. And then also within the pages, we have index, which is kind of like our main page. And so, yeah, again, so this is the greetings form. Again, this takes 3 different inputs, has like a text box for each, and then just checks that each like that the name is a string and so on. And it'll yell at us if it's not. And then here's the index part. So this here is new. This part for the listen, we set our provider to be our local host. I had to do something different here. This one was kind of tricky. We have the contract address, the greeter ABI, provider, contract on, new greeting. If we look over here in the contract itself, we can see that there is an event that's emitted called new greeting. So that's what we're looking for. We define that greeting somewhere here as hello world here. And the rest of it's kind of just like that standard Semaphore code. I think the only thing that's added here is, I threw in a little text field. Kind of looks ugly, but it's Monday before the assignment's due, so this is where we are. And then the value is going to be set to new greeting. Over here in the listen portion, we're using a use effect. And then at some point we're setting the greeting to be this, this is just like a little bit of console logging just so I can kind of see what exactly is happening and when. I was having a couple issues with some things. And then here, we used new greeting and set greeting with the use state. That's how we're setting it and making sure that we can kind of read that variable outside of the use effect. I think that's everything. So let's check it out. All right, so we'll do a little refreshy fresh. We'll have a inspect. So we can see the console here on the side. All right, cool. So first thing we're gonna do is just we'll display bad information, right? Let's just try to enter nothing. Okay, cool. So here it yells at us. It says, "Hey, you gotta do stuff," right? So we're gonna put moon papi. We're gonna put I am 28, and then this is my address. 1234 Bing Bong Street. Over here on the right-hand side, we can see that the console did log this properly. And then right now we have an empty text box. So let's hopefully this all works. I'm knocking on my table. Cool. Awesome. So on the right-hand side, we logged it 1,000,000 times. And then we'll just take you through those logs again. So let's see what happened when and where. We have listener on 42. So here 38, nothing, because it's console logging before that. So that's kind of what I think should happen. New event, then listener on, then it says new greeting. So here, perfect. We set it to that. And then listen, console log new greeting, and we just greeted it. We just kind of do it again. Cool. All right, so I think that works. It says hello world here. My anonymous greeting is on chain, and Dunzo.